Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am super excited because my package finally arrived, and inside of it we have the Magic Star Translucent Setting Powder by Jeffree Tarte Cosmetics, as well as the Magic Star Concealer, and I am so excited to get these on my face. I have not yet played with them. I wanted to do it on camera with you guys so we could get a first impression together. So I thought the best way to give this a true test would be to compare it to the Tarte Shape Tape, which is everybody's go-to, and see how it holds up compared to it. So if you want to see a direct comparison between the two concealers, as well as a breakdown of the product pricing and the amount of product you get in each, then please keep watching. And before I forget, please don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, let me know, did you guys pick up the concealer? What do you guys think of the concealer? And please don't forget to subscribe. It really helps when you guys subscribe so we can grow my channel and continue filming videos for you guys. Okay guys, so before I dive into actually trying the product on my face, I want to go over a few facts about each of the concealers with you guys. So let's start with the Jeffree. So this retails for $22 US, which equals 29.38 Canadian. If you're from Canada like me, you know the price is going to be higher. So it's 3.5 milliliters, which is super small. It has a satin matte finish, it has full coverage, and it claims to have skin benefits as well. Now, as for the Tarte, it is matte, full coverage, it's $27 US, which equals 35 Canadian dollars, and it's 10 milliliters. So for the Jeffree, you are getting 0.16 milliliters per dollar you're spending. For the Tarte Shape Tape, you're getting 0.37 milliliters per dollar that you're spending. So that's over double the amount. So already, I'm starting to get skeptical. Like, this is a way less amount of product than this. And with the Tarte, if you guys have seen any of my other videos or anyone else really, you need a very little amount of it. So that 10 milliliters ends up lasting you like 3 solid months sometimes. Really good. So we'll have to see about that. We're also going to be trying the powder today, and the powder, which is absolutely gorgeous. It comes with this beautiful component. Love the lid, love the shiny chrome pink. So pretty. So this is $22 US as well, which comes to 29.38 Canadian, and it is 10 grams of powder, and it also comes in 8 different shades. This one here comes in 31 different shades. C5 is not available, as I think it was the one that got robbed out of his factory, whatever. I'm going to be trying the Jeffree one on this side of my face. As you guys can tell, I have my whole face done, but I don't have my concealer done. So I'm going to be doing the Jeffree on this side, and I'm going to do the Tarte Shape Tape on this side. First of all, I mean, have you seen the way this looks? Like, it is so freaking beautiful. I'm obsessed with the component. I am worried about the color match, because if you look at these two in the bottle here, they really, like, this looks a lot darker. So I'm a little nervous. I picked light medium. Oh, this is, I didn't even mention the shade. So the shade is C7, and that is described as being light medium with neutral undertone. Each one of the concealers I usually buy is light medium with neutral undertones, which is why I'm surprised that this is so much lighter, but let's give it a go and see. Okay, so it's pointy. It's different than the doe foot applicator of the Tarte. It's pointy and it has like a hole in the middle, and he said that that's what holds a lot of product, so you don't have to dip in so many times. So let's give it a go. Oh wow, oh my god. That's way too light for me. Oh god, okay. Just blend that out. Okay, this is about, I'm gonna say 10 shades too light for me. No, like, it's a solid 4 shades too light for me. So luckily I ordered these off of Beautylish, and they're really good with returns, so I'm just gonna switch it up and get a different color. Right off the bat, definitely full coverage. It has a really kind of hydrating finish to it, where it's like, it's not super matte and heavy the way the Tarte can sometimes feel. So I really like that. And it blended out really quick. I don't think I need to add any more, maybe just like a little drop where I have more darkness. Right here. Oh my god, that's not my skin tone at all. Okay, so it blends out really nicely. I can tell it builds really nice. And I don't think I need to set it right away. It doesn't look like it's creasing really. That's really pretty. I like that finish there. And now let's dip into the Tarte Shape Tape and see what it looks like in comparison. So I'm just going to use the usual amount I use. As you can tell, it's a way fatter doe foot applicator. So I'm just going to put some of that here. See, it's definitely more my color. And that's literally all I use for that most of the time. And I'm just going to pat that right in. So right off the bat, I'm gonna say that I do think that the Tarte Shape Tape has more coverage. Honestly, I don't know if it's because it's not my color match or what it is, but I'm kind of liking the way the Tarte's sitting better. Concealer is just one of those things that when you find one that works for you, you're very like reluctant to try another one. But I mean, this is really nice. It is creasing like a little touch, so I'm gonna pat that out before we go in with the powder. So for the powder, I picked up the translucent shade just because I was a little bit nervous about the color. Usually when I buy something with a color, when I use it to set my concealer, it usually has some kind of cast to it and darkens my concealer. So I bought translucent just to be safe. I'm gonna peel that little thingy off and put some in the cap here. Oh wow, that's really white. And I'm just gonna put a really light touch of it with my dampened beauty blender under my eye. Oh, that's really soft. Oh, that's a soft, nice powder. Oh wow, crapsicles, that's really brightening. As if we needed more brightening on this eye. So, it totally smells like baked cotton candy, exactly like you said. I'm gonna put some underneath. Now guys, my tried and true is my Charlotte Tilbury, so it is wild that I'm even trying another setting powder. Let's give it a little go. So right off the bat, I can tell that the powder is super, super finely milled. First thoughts, loving the powder. I think it sits really, really nicely on the skin. I really like the powder. The concealer, I don't know if it's because it's not my right shade match and I should give another shot with the color that is my actual match, but it's okay. I don't think it's taken the place of my Shape Tape as of yet, but just stick around. I'm gonna quickly throw on some underneath shadow, put on some mascara, and I'll be right back to give you guys my final thoughts. So my final thoughts on the product. So other than the fact that I clearly bought the wrong color, I think it's good. I'm going to have to try it more before I finally make my final statements on it. I don't think right off the bat it's going to replace my Shape Tape. I think it is pretty. I love that it feels so much lighter than the Shape Tape. But again, I did need to dip in twice, as you guys saw, to get the kind of coverage I wanted. I thought given the price and the fact that he said it's 20% pigment, that I could go in with the same amount that I do with the Shape Tape, but it turns out that I needed a little bit more. I think it's a little bit overpriced. If you're a true Jeffree Star fan, which I am, like the component, everything about it is fun and nice, but in terms of a go-to product of mine, it's for now not gonna replace my Shape Tape. So for now, if there was a showdown between the two, my Tarte would still win. I am also a creature of habit, so it could be that I'm just so used to the Tarte, but I am gonna try this more and I'm gonna play with it. Definitely check the comments below because I'm going to pin an updated little comment on what I think about the product after trying it more. So yeah, I like it. I think it's a little bit overpriced. Do I recommend buying it? Yes, if you're a Jeffree Star fan and you want to give a new concealer a try. It's light, it is good coverage, it doesn't crease wildly. Like I've used concealers that crease a lot more. Do I think the Shape Tape creases less? Yes. And as for the powder, I like it. Underneath my eyes looks kind of crazy right now. It did say on the website, and this is on me, I did not read it properly. It did say on the website that this is for brightening. So I think it's just a little bit too bright for me and I should have gone for beige. I think fair probably still would have been too light. But yeah, I like it. I think it smells nice. I think it's super, super gorgeous to look at. Like the packaging alone is worth it. They are good products. They're definitely not going to be replacing my go-to favorites, but they're good, and if you want to give them a try, if you're a huge fan of Jeffree, then give them a try. So yeah guys, that's about it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, please comment, don't forget to subscribe. It really helps me out when you guys subscribe because I want to keep growing my channel and getting bigger and doing more videos for you guys. So yeah, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you on the next one. Bye guys!